This is the Colonial Knot. It looks very similar to the French knot with this rounded knot that is flush to the front of the fabric. It's a decorative knot. So how we do this is we bring our needle up to the front of the fabric here. I like to lay my hoop flat on a surface in front of me, and then the working thread coming out of the fabric, we want to make this loop here. Now I will stick my needle inside that loop so the working thread goes over the needle and then underneath around the back. Then I hold my working thread again and wrap it around the front of the needle, like so. Then I bring my needle back down into the fabric right next to where I came up. And before I push my needle all the way through, I'm going to tug that thread so it's nice and tightly wrapped around my needle and flush with the fabric. Then you can use kind of your thumb to hold that thread in place if you want, and gently tug. So we make a knot on the front of our fabric. And you can see mine is a smidge loose right there. That's because it probably wasn't tight enough around the needle. So if I did it again, I would aim for tighter thread here. So loop, wrap, back down, cinch it nice and tight. There we go, much better. And that is the Colonial Knot.